welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about my bar up here at the top. I have basically been trying to create a Quickshell bar, but not for Neri or Hyperland or Mango or anything. I'm still on BSPWM, rocking the x11 server, and I wanted to give it a shot. So basically I have created this bar at the top here that is created through, I did use Claude and open code to kind of help me, through it, get through some bugs and things I have, come across that I otherwise would not have been able to do. But yeah, I'm actually pretty pleased with it. For the longest time, I actually thought Quickshell was only available for Wayland, but when I looked it up, it was available for x11 as well. So I don't even know if anybody has created a Quickshell bar for x11 or not, but I thought I'd give it a shot, and it's working pretty well. It works well with my BSPWM window manager, so it is able to use BSP to actually know which workspace and stuff that I'm on. So all of that is fully functional and working. And I've created some modules here for like my layout, for instance. So I can actually show you here if I actually tile both of these, and then I can actually switch my layout. You can see it shows master now. So if I open up some more windows, it shows master up there, and then I can switch to column, and then back to default, and then switch between all the different layouts there. So all of that has been working pretty well, and I don't have like all the fancy features from like Noctalia and DMS and all that stuff built into the bar just yet. But really the only one that I do have is the notifications are being sent through here. So I have the notifications come down, built into the actual shell there. I do have like a slight animation glitch there where the bar kind of flickers for a second, but for the most part, it is, working pretty well. And then I did start to create a launcher, but as you see, it still has that flicker going on, and this one is completely detached from the top. Not exactly the way that I wanted it, but it is not fully functional yet. So as you can see, there's no applications in here, and it's actually not interactive. So that part is definitely a work in progress, to say the least. But the bar itself is fully functional and working pretty well. So far, I'm pretty pleased with it. I've also updated it to match my themes that I have. So I still have the option to switch between my different themes, and then the bar reloads and switches to match the theme as well. So that has been working too, and I'm actually pretty pleased with that. And I kind of made it very similar to my Hulk bar here. That's kind of like my favorite bar that I have out of all of these. So that's the only one that's actually working right now, but I probably will try to mimic all of my polybars and try to create a way to switch between them, switch between different like themes for my bar itself, which will be pretty cool to be able to switch between all the different layouts and stuff for the actual bar itself, changing the modules and stuff like that. So that is something that I will be trying to do down the road. I will share my GitLab, but just know this is a 100% a work in progress, and it's heavily baked into my BSPWM configuration. So you try to clone the repo and use this on yours, just know it only works with BSPWM at this time. I do plan on trying to make it work with other x11 window managers to bring Quickshell and stuff to that world, so those of us that are still on x11 are not left behind. The cool new features and everything, because like all the animations and stuff still work and are pretty smooth. Honestly, that glitch that you saw with the notifications thing, that's because the bar is actually reloading and not staying static when making the notification go away. So I just have to fix that. But outside of that, I've been really enjoying it, and it really kind of completes my my overall system and aesthetics here. Don't get me wrong, I like Polybar. I will still probably use Polybar from time to time. I'm using it on my laptop as well, but flexibility that you get with Quickshell is you just can't beat it. There really is an endless amount of things you can do with it, especially because I can start recreating like my Rofi menus and stuff in Quickshell to have everything cohesive and everything. That's kind of the overall goal, is to have like my BSPWM configuration here. So like if I go into go into my configuration here in BSPWM, you can see, for instance, going to bin, I have all of these different scripts and stuff, and that's to do various things, like the power menu and the like open up like the rice switcher and switching wallpapers and all the different things are, it's all a different script using like Rofi menus and stuff like that to get those working. It'd be really cool to have that all baked into the bar and not have to have all this extra bloat, if you will. I know in the Linux land we like to call everything bloat, but that's kind of the idea behind it, is have everything in the shell, and that way I can just really easily install BSPWM with my Quickshell configuration in my BSPWM RC, and then the file for the key bindings. I always forget what that's actually called, but it's this one here, the SXHKDRC. Why it's called that, I don't know. But yeah, so that'd be really cool to have just a few files needed to create the actual configuration, and everything else is just built into Quickshell, which would be really nice, similar to how Natalia and stuff do it, where you just need your hyperlink config or your nearing config or whatever, and then everything else is kind of just built throughout your bar at the top there. I'm not sure if I'm going to go as far as like creating like menus and GUI applications and stuff to edit the actual bar and change things. I don't know if I'm going to go to that extent, but I probably will add the other things like a dash menu and app launcher option, and I already added like the notifications, which is much easier than the app launcher, come to find out. But so I'm trying to just make it all fully cohesive and working throughout BSPWM, and then I will try to add like DWM and Xmonad and some of the other x11 window managers out there, so that way we have options out there and don't just have to use Polybar and EWW and stuff like that. So this is just a quick video kind of showing off what I have completed so far. If you want me to do like a live where I'm like kind of vibe coding this thing and making updates and stuff to it, then definitely let me know in the comments below. I'm definitely willing to do that, but I'm not sure if that's something you guys want to see or not. But if you do, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy my content, please consider liking and subscribing. If you want to support me and my Linux journey, please do so at ko-fi.com/theblackdawn, or you can donate through YouTube or join the actual membership. But other than that, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.